This person was once the fastest growing and most followed creator on social media. He gained tens of millions of followers in record time, hundreds of millions of views, and on top of that, he became the first person to make $1 million without saying a single word. Almost everyone, at least once, has seen his face or one of his videos. But today, where did he go? Why did he disappear for such a long time? And why did so many of his own followers suddenly turn against him? This person is Khaby Lame. Khaby's story started during the global pandemic that affected the entire world. He was just a normal guy working in a factory, struggling financially. When the pandemic hit, he'd lost his job, just like millions of other people. His situation went from worse to worse, and he was facing a real challenge: how to make money and not end up homeless. So he decided to try content creation. He started specifically on TikTok. At the beginning, he got no support at all. No views, no followers, nothing. But he didn't stop. The type of content he chose and how he presented it became the main reason behind his success. That iconic hand gesture, the facial expression, the silence, all of it mattered. Since Khaby speaks Italian, not English, he made a smart decision. He created content without talking at all. Literally. He started making sarcastic reaction videos to overly complicated cringe life hack videos. And this simple idea changed everything. This strategy allowed him to gain hundreds of thousands of followers very quickly. One of the smartest things he did was targeting videos that were already viral. He reacted to popular and cringe videos, responding in a funny, sarcastic way without saying a word. One video alone reached 250 million views, where he mocked a ridiculous life hack. He kept doing the same type of videos, and they kept getting millions and millions of views. Every single video was hitting 30 to 50 million views at minimum. Within just 90 days, he went from 1 million followers to 50 million followers. But that's when things started to change. A second group of people appeared, people who began questioning his success. They started commenting things like, how does this guy have all these followers? He doesn't even put effort into his videos. He doesn't talk. He posts 20-second videos. People were shocked that someone could earn up to $750,000 per video without saying a single word. Many said he didn't deserve to reach 100 million followers. At the same time, others were supporting him massively, hoping he would surpass Charli D'Amelio, the most followed person on TikTok at the time, and he was very close to actually passing her. People even started campaigns to help him overtake her in followers. But then the drama started. Some people accused him of mocking others. Others claimed he was making fun of people's appearance or weight. As a result, a large number of people unfollowed him. Some said he was being canceled just because he was about to surpass Charli. But shortly after that, he gained 1 million followers again, and eventually he became the most followed person on TikTok. However, many people noticed something strange. Khaby started disappearing. He stopped appearing frequently on the For You page. He went from posting daily to barely posting at all. Khaby later explained that he was working on a movie, a dream he had since childhood. But after becoming famous, he worked with almost every major brand imaginable. And for many fans, this caused him to lose their respect. People started saying his joke became old, that he had been repeating the same idea for 3 years straight. And this repetition played a big role in slowing down his growth across platforms. Right now, there's nothing left except waiting. Waiting to see his upcoming movie. Waiting to see if he can surprise people again, or if his peak is already behind him. That's the story of Khaby Lame. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's see how many new subscribers we can gain from this video.